Are you new to angling and worried about safety? Well, you've come to the right place. As we delve into the world of fishing, it's crucial to remember that safety isn't just a suggestion, it's a must. Fishing might seem like a serene and peaceful activity, but it does come with its share of risks. From handling sharp hooks to navigating slippery rocks, safety should always be at the forefront of every angler's mind. Today, we're here to guide you through the essentials of angling safety, from the moment you pick up your rod to the second you land your first catch. We'll be going over key safety precautions and guidelines, ensuring that you're well equipped to handle any situation that comes your way. This video is your step-by-step guide to becoming not just a confident angler, but a safe one too. Remember, a safe angler is a happy angler. Now, let's dive into our first safety tip. First things first, knowing how to handle your fishing equipment safely is crucial. Picture yourself carrying a fishing rod. It's not just a stick, it's a tool. Carry it vertically or with the tip trailing behind you to avoid snagging it on trees, shrubs, or even worse, a fellow angler. Now, let's talk about hooks. They're sharp for a reason, but that sharpness can lead to some unexpected injuries if not handled with caution. When not in use, keep those hooks covered. A simple hook cover or even an old cork can do the trick. Also remember that mishandling equipment can be dangerous. An improperly cast line can turn into a wild projectile. So, take the time to learn proper casting techniques and always be aware of your surroundings when casting. Safety might not be the most glamorous aspect of fishing, but it's essential, so keep those hooks covered and handle your rod with care. Now, on to our next safety tip. Now that you've got your equipment handling down, let's talk about water safety. You see, the beauty of water can sometimes mask its inherent dangers. It's always crucial to remember that safety should be your top priority. Being a strong swimmer is, of course, a prerequisite. The unexpected can happen, and you want to be prepared. Even the most experienced anglers can find themselves in unpredictable situations. Next, never fish alone. There's safety in numbers, and having a buddy with you can make a world of difference if something goes wrong. Always let someone know where you're going. A quick message to a friend or family member about your fishing spot can be a lifesaver in case of an emergency. And of course, don't forget your life jacket. Even if you're an excellent swimmer, a life jacket is a non-negotiable. For extra safety, consider using a float tube. Remember, never underestimate the power of water. Stay safe and cautious. So, we've covered equipment handling and water safety, two key areas for any beginner angler. We've learned that safe equipment handling starts with a proper understanding of your gear. Remember, each piece of equipment has its own purpose and should be used as intended. From hooks and lines to rods and reels, treat each piece with respect and caution. We also dove into water safety, emphasizing the importance of understanding your surroundings. Whether you're fishing in a small pond or the open ocean, keeping an eye on the weather and knowing how to swim are crucial. And don't forget the life jacket. It's not just a suggestion, it's a lifesaver. Safety isn't just a part of angling, it's the foundation. It allows us to enjoy the serene beauty of nature, the thrill of the catch, and the satisfaction of learning a new skill. Fishing is a fun and rewarding hobby when done safely. Keep these tips in mind, and you'll be a pro in no time. Until next time, stay safe and happy angling. That's it for our safety tips for beginner anglers. But remember, this is only the beginning of your fishing journey. We have a sea of content waiting for you, packed with tips, tricks, and techniques to take your angling skills to the next level. So be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue to deliver quality content. And we're not just here to share our knowledge. We want to hear from you too. Do you have any safety tips of your own to share? Or perhaps you have some questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos? Leave a comment below. We're all here to learn and grow together as a community of anglers. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Until our next adventure, stay safe and happy angling.